All right, guys, so we're at our little sandbar having some lunch. We're gonna get back out on the river. Still got some work to do, but we gotta get past these rapids right here first. Up ahead, you can see them riffling. Just a light class 1, guys, nothing spectacular. But I've ran these rapids before. It's real light. It's just a lot of riffles, a little bumpy. But we're in a good spot. But we got some work to do. Got some miles to put in. So we're gonna get going. See you guys soon. Getting tired, Sean? No. All right, guys, let's bust through these rapids real quick. Nothing too serious, guys, just some riffles. But it is wavy and pushy. I don't remember this. Get to the left. All right, guys, here we go. Bam! Some pushy shit. Stuff. Pushy stuff. Some nice big waves. Yeah! Ooh, I just hit a rock, dude. What'd you think of that, Sean? That was fun. I messed up my shoulder. Pretty pushy there, hey dude? It gets pretty wavy too, doesn't it? It's like a little wave pool. That's the only rapids we're going to encounter, Sean. All right, guys, well, we got halfway to our destination and we decided to stop. Got the kayaks unloaded and we haven't been able to do much filming. The mosquitoes are just frickin' brutal. Just brutal, guys. So, big bro's out searching for wood. We've been trying to get some wood together. There's not a lot of wood here. Everything's really green this year. And you guys know this spot already. You guys know this spot. This is my bushcrafting spot. You guys have seen me come here. Well, you're only supposed to come here and kayak here and spend the night. So this is, you know, we did it fair and square. We spent the night. There's the river. We just paddled like 5 miles. And it's just late. We needed to get things going for dinner and everything else, so we just decided to stop now. And right now we're trying to smoke out the damn bugs, man, which is perfect. That's what we need right now. Smoke them out. Smoke them out, broski. We're gonna smoke out the bugs, man. We got our nightmarish mess here. We're trying to get everything set up, and as soon as we get everything set up, we'll get with you guys. How you doing, Sean? You having fun?
Blast, man, hanging in there.
Yeah, man, listen, guys, the mosquitoes are absolutely brutal, man. We actually, where we're at, you guys know that this is somewhere I've come for my bushcraft stuff. I've mentioned it in the past. There's an access road. So I had the we had mom and my old lady come bring us some supplies. We needed more wood. We needed some water. We had to cheat. It is what it is. But you know, we're getting better. I had them bring the bug machines, and hey, we got things set up. It's a nice 2-man tent. It's got the Moretti Outdoors orange. But what I really wanted to talk about is we're getting ready to bust into some Daffes. I brought 4 of them out, two dinners, 12 hours, 2 breakfasts, 12 hours. So we're gonna bust into those. The mosquitoes are just absolutely brutal still. So we're going to get food going, and hopefully the mosquitoes died down a little bit. We don't have a lot of wood. This is what I had to bring. Just some stuff to help us out because we're running out of wood. So, all right, guys. Well, we'll do an update. Still haven't determined when we're going to put back in again tomorrow morning. So we'll get back to you soon. Beautiful area, though. Yeah, just a little update, guys. So got camp cleaned up a little bit. Got done eating our Daffe MRE 12-hour. I ended up having the salmon and vegetable stew, and my brother had lentil stew. Very good meals, man. I love them so much. Casey, thank you so much for sending me that case. Guys, don't forget to check out MRE.com. EmeryMountain.com, I'm sorry, and see what he's got, man. He's got a lot of good stuff. Those Chile Daffe meals are 12-hour. I bought a whole case, 6 of them in a case for 99 bucks. Awesome deal. Guys, MREs are going to get tougher and tougher to get, man. They're going to start putting stipulations on them, so you better get on it. But we're just chilling by the fire. It's super hot. Got the tent set up, like I said before. Starting to get all the gadgets out. I got my lantern out. The Bolin lantern. Got the bear bag rope hung for our food. There's a lot of black bear in this area, so, and my goofy ass brother's taking it upon himself to go down by the river and fish. We met a couple guys on the river earlier today, and one guy caught a walleye and a smallmouth. So they are biting. It's just a matter of finding a hole. But yeah, so he's down here fishing, and I'm over here cleaning up camp and chilling out. Anyway, let's try that again. So we ate, I cleaned up camp. For some reason, man, I'm really dehydrated. I'm really hot. I can't cool down. I've had this neck fan on for, man, hours now. I just cannot cool down for some reason. I don't know why. I got the Frog Togs. This is a Frog Tog towel that you get wet and it's supposed to keep you cool. I took it all off about a half hour ago and I got really hot again. So I just think the river got the best of me today. I mean, paddling that 5 miles, even though we dinked around a little bit, we still had the sun beating on us and it was like 90 degrees today. So, I don't know. It is what it is. I'm just glad I got my bug machine with me, man, because the Thermacell is freaking helping so much. I can't complain enough about the mosquitoes. Oh my God. They want our blood. But yeah, guys, just a little update. So we got looking at the map and we decided, where is the map? The map's down by the kayak. So let's go take a walk down by the kayak. I'll show you guys the map. My brother's been collecting wood like crazy, trying to keep the bugs away, so it's been working. What up, man? How you doing, Sean?
What's up, guys?
How you feeling, dude?
Awesome, dude. It's so peaceful out here.
Yeah.
Just making it happen.
Other than the dang mosquitoes, right?
Yep, dang mosquitoes.
They're bad. Other than that, all right, I'm heading down to the map.
Okay.
Yeah, it's been fun hanging out with my twin brother. We've never done anything like this before, so I was glad to get him on board to go out with me at night and do something, because we just don't do enough together, man. We're twin brothers and we just aren't close enough, and we had a bond and we lost the bond because of some personal things, and had nothing to do between us. It was someone getting in the way. But yeah, let's find that map. I'll show you guys exactly where we are. Oh, this map's all wet. Well, it'll work. Everything is wet, guys. We got frickin' soaked on those rapids earlier. I mean, they were only class 1 rapids, but they were, I mean, the waves were like 10 inches high, man. They're bouncing me around everywhere. All my stuff got wet. So, all right, guys. So, here. We put in right here. We went all the way down through here, past Perry Creek, and this is where we are, right here. We are right there. Right there, the primitive Hawk Island. Now tomorrow morning, we have to leave Hawk Island, which is right there, and we gotta paddle all the way down the river, all the way down to here, all the way to this dot right here. So we got like 6 miles left, guys, on this trip. So we're moving pretty good. We had to stop though. It is what it is. But all right, man, I'm gonna get back to the campsite. Holy crap, are the bugs freaking brutal. Just thought I'd do a little update with you guys. Everything's everything going good, going good. I'll show you guys that access road. There's where we came in off the river. And this access road, where my mom and my wife brought us some emergency supplies because we needed to have the Thermacells. I didn't bring them. Sandbars aren't as bad, but we didn't make it to the sandbar. So we still got to deal with sand, you know, biting flies from the on the sandbars. There's sand flies and they bite. There's that access road. It's about a mile long. And we just been collecting wood from over here. They cut a tree down and it's really been helping, but wow, are the mosquitoes brutal. They don't even care about the thermocell. I went and got this no-gnat bug spray. Stuff is junk, man. They're busting right through that no-gnat bug spray and they're just annihilating. So I'll never waste my money on that stuff again. It's like $6 for a little bottle. I don't get it. It just, I don't know. I don't get it, but yeah, this is what my brother does when he comes and hangs out with me. See that, guys? On his phone all the time. Alright guys, just checking in. Everything's done. The bear bag's up in the tree hung. It's almost 10 o'clock. We're gonna get some shut-eye. Just doing a little talking and giggling and partying. Got the place lit up pretty good. Got a citronella candle, got my lantern going. This thing is freaking awesome, man. Super bright. Got it turned on low for now. Did have it turned on low. Rocking the red strobe. Got my freaking waterproof kayaking speaker out. And the fire. Anyways, guys, so we decided that because of the fact that we both got a lot of stuff to do tomorrow and it's going to be almost 100 degrees, we're just done. This is it right here. We kayaked 5 miles and I got to get things situated for work for Monday. I go back after like 9.5 weeks, 10 weeks. So this is kind of the last little trip we're gonna have for a while. My wedding's coming up here August 10th, so I'm getting hitched, so I'm gonna be focusing on working and you know, editing videos, doing videos at home, MRE reviews and gear reviews. Lots of gear, guys. I'm so far behind, so I know you guys are seeing some of it, but that's just a pinprick, man. I got probably 30 pieces of gear to review. Everybody's, you know, been emailing me, bugging me, so I got to get on top of that. But other than that, guys, that's it. I'm ready. Outdoors camp out.